Okay guys, I've gotten the bell housing off. And mine came out of a 2000 GMC Sierra. So I've taken the bell housing off and put it away. So let's see what he has to say next on this thing here. Had a little hard time getting them off, but this one right here and here is stripped, I think. Well, some kind of way. We'll figure something out. Anyway, let's see what he's saying now, guys.
All the bolts loose. Finish removing all 8 bolts and put them in the box.
Now he said 8. I only have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I was supposed to have 8. But I only saw, let me see, did I see 7 or 8? I think I got 8. I think I only saw 7, but I see where this was supposed to be 8. So what happened, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, you guys figure it out. I put mine in the box, well actually in the
Remove the bell housing
bag.
and set it on the other bench.
Okay, I've done that. I didn't set it on the bench though, but I put it away because
If
my
you're
bench
working
is...
on a 2-wheel drive model, remove the vehicle speed sensor now.
Okay, I'm going to remove that.
Use a 5/16 or 8mm socket to remove the retainer bolt.
Okay, I'm going to remove that. What else am I going to do?
Twist and pull out the sensor.
Alright.
Put both of them in the box. As a side note, the 4-wheel drive does not have a speed sensor on the transmission. It's located on the transfer case.
Okay.
Use a 15mm socket or wrench to remove the 6 bolts attaching the extension housing.
Alright, let's get to work, guys. Let's get to work. We're going to remove the speed sensor and we're going to remove the housing. The whatever you call that thing. The housing thing. So let's get to work, guys. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let me get my tools first and I'll get back with you.